Hi, I am Florence Mayfair, and welcome to Mayfair Astrology, where we decode the universe and reveal its cosmic secrets. In today's video, we're exploring the astrological forecast for Capricorn in April 2025. This month invites you to redefine your foundations, from your home life to your creative passions, while balancing personal growth and professional demands. Before we begin, I have something special for you. Download my free guide, 12 Rituals to Harness the Power of the Moon, plus the 2025 Digital Moon and Astrology Planner to help you align with the cosmic rhythms. The link is in the description below. Let's explore the wisdom of the stars together. Your astrological journey begins now. Let's dive in. April brings a focus on home, family, creativity, and self-expression for Capricorns. With Mercury and Venus retrograde activating your fourth house at the start of the month, there's a cosmic call to reassess your living environment, family dynamics, and emotional foundations before fully stepping into creative projects and personal growth. Mercury retrograde March 15th, April 7th. Mercury travels retrograde through Aries, your fourth house of home, family, and emotional roots. Expect conversations about past family matters or home-related decisions to resurface. Avoid major property moves until Mercury turns direct on April 7th. Venus retrograde March 1st to April 12th. Venus retrogrades through the same sector, asking you to reevaluate what comfort, beauty, and security mean to you. Home renovations, family healing, and emotional reflection are all supported after Venus goes direct mid-month. Mars in Taurus all month. Mars energizes your fifth house of creativity, romance, and joy. This helps you channel energy into passion projects, artistic expression, and romantic pursuits, but with a practical edge. Mars in Taurus favors slow, steady creation over impulsive bursts. Venus enters Taurus April 30. Venus joins Mars in your fifth house at the end of the month, infusing creativity, romance, and joy with beauty and harmony. This marks a perfect time to enjoy romance, indulge in creative hobbies, or celebrate your personal talents. Career and finances. April emphasizes indirect career growth through self-work. Mercury and Venus retrograde prompt you to examine whether your home life supports your professional goals. Work-from-home situations may need adjustment, and family demands could briefly pull focus from career ambitions. After April 7th, clearer communication helps in professional negotiations. By month end, creativity could open new revenue streams if you embrace talents you've sidelined. Relationships. Family relationships come under review, especially early in the month. Old family dynamics, unresolved conflicts, or home-based discussions could resurface for healing and resolution. Romantically, Mars and Venus in your fifth house bring passion and sensuality back into the picture. Long-term couples could reignite their spark through creativity or shared hobbies, while singles attract attention by embracing their authentic self-expression. Health and well-being. With the focus on home and creativity, emotional health becomes key. Use April to establish comforting routines and a nurturing home environment. Creativity also acts as therapy this month. Whether through art, writing, cooking, or DIY projects, creative expression helps process emotional shifts triggered by the retrogrades. Best days for success. April 7th, Mercury turns direct, clearing confusion around home and family matters. April 19th, the Sun conjuncts the North Node, revealing an important personal or creative realization. April 30th, Venus enters Taurus, blessing creativity, romance, and self-expression. What to avoid? April 1st, 7th. The final days of Mercury retrograde are prime for misunderstandings. Delay home or property deals until after Mercury turns direct. April 20th, Mars squares Pluto, intensifying creative or romantic frustrations. Avoid power struggles and creative blocks by staying flexible. April 2025 encourages Capricorns to strengthen their emotional foundations while nurturing creative passions. By balancing reflection with action, you'll create a home life and personal identity that truly supports your future ambitions. Want to dive deeper? Download the 2025 Digital Moon and Astrology Planner for free using the link in the description to align your actions with the cosmic cycles. How will you create more beauty and balance in your life this month? Share your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear your insights. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss your next cosmic update. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep looking to the stars.